And in today's video, we're taking a look at how to make garlic paste. This is so simple, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And these are the things that you're going to need. A head of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a food processor or a blender or a mortar and pestle or just a good old chef's knife. So the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and peel the garlic. If you want to learn an easy and fast way to do it, we have a video on that as well. We're going to leave a link on the description on how to peel garlic the easy way. We're going to take our food processor or blender and add all the ingredients. Then we're going to start pulsing until we get a paste consistency. If you're using a mortar and pestle, you want to add the salt first and then add the garlic, because this is going to make it easier to crush and the salt is going to help you get there. And then once we can't mash it no more, then we add the oil. But let's say you feel like a ninja, then we can use the knife to smash the garlic, press it down and smush it side to side on a stable cutting board. We add a little bit of salt to help the process, and then you got to repeat that process for the rest of the cloves and the head of garlic. So you can see how the food processor or blender would be a lot easier. Once we notice a cream white consistency, then you know you can stop blending the garlic. And now that you're a garlic paste boss, you can use this right away or store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.